Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains and rivers, there lived a boy named Soren. Soren wasn't the strongest, the fastest, or even the smartest, but he had something rare, a desire to achieve something meaningful in life. He just didn't know how. One morning, Soren heard about a legendary Zen master who lived high in the mountains, a man people believed could answer any question. Filled with hope, Soren began his journey. The climb was long, the path twisted between rocks and trees. But finally, Soren arrived at a quiet wooden temple resting on the cliff's edge. There, beside a flowing stream, sat the Zen master. With respect, Soren bowed. Then he asked the question burning inside him. "Master, how can I achieve anything I set my mind to?" The master opened his eyes and smiled. 10 years, Soren frowned. 10 years? But master, what if I work very hard? What if I give it everything? How long then? The master replied calmly. 20 years. Soren stepped closer, confused. But master, what if I dedicate my entire life to it? No distractions, no rest, only focus. Then how long? The master smiled again. 30 years. Soren felt his heart drop. How is that possible? The harder I try, the longer it takes? The Zen master picked up a smooth stone and tossed it into the stream. Ripples spread across the water. When the water is calm, he said, you can see your reflection clearly. But when it's disturbed, everything becomes blurry. He continued, when your mind is calm, the path becomes clear. But when you obsess over the end, you lose sight of the journey. The master placed a gentle hand on Soren's shoulder. You can achieve anything, Soren, but only when you walk the path mindfully, one step at a time. He pointed to a staircase carved into the mountain. Climb these steps. Don't look at the top. Just look at your next step, then the next, and the next. Because success isn't something you chase, it's something you grow into. Soren breathed deeply. For the first time, he understood. Life wasn't a sprint, it was a journey, and every moment mattered. From that day on, Soren stopped obsessing over the peak. Instead, he focused on the next step. He trained daily. He improved slowly. He stayed patient. He stayed consistent. And over time, quietly, steadily, Soren became the person capable of achieving everything he once dreamed of. Dear listener, if you want to achieve anything in life, remember this. Don't force the future. Don't rush the climb. Don't stare only at the finish line. Focus on your next step. Do your work with calmness, clarity, and consistency. And one day, without even realizing it, you'll find yourself exactly where you always wanted to be. Because success isn't found at the top. It's built on the path,